Assalamu alaikum friends, আশা করি সবাই ভালো আছেন. In this video today I'm going to show you guys how to do face swapping very easily and quickly. This is going to be very cool tutorial, so let's get into this. As you can see, I have one image of a handsome man here and another one image of a pretty girl here. So what I'm going to do, I will swap this girl's face into this man's face. I understand this is a funny thing, but it will be easier to understand. So at first, let's make a copy of this image and make it invisible, and go to this girl's image and select this face. I think it's okay. Now copy and paste. Okay. Now take this face to this image and adjust the face with the below image. Okay. Bring the opacity down and adjust this again with the eyes and the mouth. I think it's pretty okay. Now hold Ctrl and click the thumbnail and select and make the opacity 100%. Then go to image, go to adjustment, come here, match color. From here select the face layer, this one, and match with man copy, right? Okay, so the color adjusted automatically, but if you're not happy with the color, you can adjust a little bit here just to match the color. Okay, and luminance a little bit down. I think it's pretty okay. So now click OK. Now go to select, go to modify and click contract. So here you can put like 7 to 10. Let's put here 10 pixel and click OK. So why I did this? Because I want to delete this part from this layer. Okay, now select this man copy and delete. As you can see, I deleted from this man copy. Why did I do that? Because when I blend this layer to this layer, I want to make sure the pixel from this layer is blended nicely with this face. So now I select both of the layer here and go to edit and go to auto blend layer, and I select panorama here, keep this both options selected and click OK. Now you can see the face is blended with the man's face. So that's it for today, guys. In my next tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use ChatGPT to generate any kind of image you want, and how to use Discord software to do face swapping. That's going to be cool tutorial. Thank you guys, and stay tuned until then.